This is my 2013 Fit Wi-Fi in Chrome. I got it off Dance Comp about a day ago. It's the Fit Inman bars. They're 29 wide and 8.365 wide. These are the Fit 2 forks. And it has Revenge double wall alloy rims. It has the Fit bar stool seat and the Fit pivotal seat post. It has a Fit Byco 27 tooth 6.5mm wide sprocket. It has 48 spline Fit Byco Team 2 cranks with some Fit PC pedals. It also has a Revenge double wall alloy rim in the back with Fit FAF 2.30 tires front and back. It has a Fit headset and some Fit grips, pretty nice. And that concludes my bike check. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.